Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is continuation of birthday vlog, that is part 2. So let's begin with fried rice. Before that, if anyone missed out part 1, I'm gonna share the link in the comment section below. Please check it out. So let's begin with fried rice. This is one dish that is enjoyed by everyone. This is very basic one, yet tasty and very delicious. Let's get started. In a hot pan, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 green chilies finely chopped. Saute it well. Here I'm gonna add vegetables, 1 onion finely chopped, carrot and beans finely chopped. Here I have used 1 carrot and few beans finely chopped. Here goes in the vegetables. I'm gonna add carrots and beans. Give it a quick mix. Add salt to taste. Mix it well. Now I'm gonna add pepper powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder. Next I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Here I'm gonna use Szechuan fried rice masala, only just half teaspoon of it. It gives a nice flavor. It's optional. Here goes in our cooked rice. Mix it thoroughly. So here is our veg fried rice is ready. It's so delicious and yummy. So coming back to cake preparation, here our cake is done. Let's start with decoration part. Here I'm gonna loosen the edges and I'm gonna shift it to the plate. Remove the butter paper. So here I have taken few dark chocolates and I'm gonna mix it with Hershey chocolate sauce and I'm gonna melt it. Meanwhile, I'm gonna add sugar syrup just to get the juicy flavor. It's an optional. So here I'm gonna add in chocolate sauce and melted chocolates. I'm gonna decorate the edges with chocolate sauce. And now I'm gonna add in some chopped almonds in the center. And I'm gonna add few dried cranberries. Yeah, here it is. Our absolutely delicious chocolate cake is ready. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos.